Yeah man, what's good guys? It's a boy Caribbean Vibes Cooking. You know, so we're back on it today again. One of my favorite places to shoot video. Sweet River Westmoreland, sir. Team out this morning again. White man, welcome back, sir. Yeah man, so we are do some rice and peas today, fried chicken, pineapple sauce, some mashed potato with Irish and pumpkin, some curry, earchag, otherwise called soursop fish. Yeah man, so we just reached. Yeah man, so big up to my day one driver, Maroon.
Boom bang.
Yeah man. Yeah guys, so I will shoot on the left hand side today. I make my way all the way up the stream. Water kinda low because we not really get a lot of rain since of lately, you know. You were sitting on now, man. Eh?
No, I jump out though.
Oh, I jump out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you ready, man?
Yeah, man.
All is well, Rasta.
Yeah, man, we're out now. Today, you know, say fried chicken and rice and peas. And potato salad with pumpkin. And show me not eat fried chicken, I not eat come out a capital phone. I go do a curry earchag. Or some people call it soursop fish. Yeah, man, we're out today, man. Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Out. Yes, peeps, we just reached our spot. Sweet River over there today. And look like we'll get some rain. So that's what we're going to do. We have to do. We'll light up the fire now and put on the pot and kick off the ball. Yeah, today will be a great day still. Yeah, man.
Yes, people. As a dog, when I say time, I run out for we. Taxi take a while to come pick me up. Right now, we up in the evening and now. Night pot today. A great one today again.
As I say, better we late than never. The thing will go on. Yeah. As you see it now, we're going to start get the earchag pick. You know time ago, so we have to get the earchag sorted out. As we say, we have to cook fried chicken, potato salad with pumpkin, and rice and peas. But then we are not trouble with capital phone. So I have to carry one earchag for yourself. See it? Yeah. I get the earchag picker now. And then we clean him up and season him up. And get him on the fire. Yes, I pick out the bone, I see them bone are dangerous. So I have to get them in our container. If no bone juke you, hospital pick up you. And can't get lockjaw. Them bone are terrible, so we have to get them in a container and put them in a bag and dash them away. Because we don't want nobody get no juke from them bone. Terrible bone them bone, soursop fish bone. Terrible bone. Yeah man, I'm going to take them in the hospital pick up same time, man. Yeah, man. So we have to get them out of here, we put them in our container. When we finish picking, we throw them in one bag and we put them in the fire. When we done with the fire, make them burn out. So we put them in the fire, make them burn out. And we get one hole, we throw one, we dig one hole, throw them in. And them bone are terrible. Wicked.
Yeah guys, you can see, get the fortnight greater, you know, rice and peas. You're the farmer, you're not going to hear me, man.
Yeah. One catch already, you know? I'll catch the next one. Farmer come put on the peas now. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Alright, you know. There's the salt. Yes, guys, clean up the chicken them, you know. Get them seasoned up. Then go and soak. French fry now with some nice rice and peas. Some potato salad with pumpkin. Yes, Tom, on the fire ready, you know. We put on the peas, you know. One gone and all lead, you know.
All my head out for the come river. Eh? Eh? I think I dog that for the come river.
No, no.
How much? No.
Oh, no, no, auntie them chicken.
I know say chicken and I'm gonna cook up for me and man.
I don't get the each of some money to see the money in the car. Now you can hope on a money to get down.
That one we have put on the peas, you know? Yeah. Yes, man. I'm going to add some ginger and peas, you know? Just crack it. Add in it 2 cloves of garlic, some pimento seed. So, as soon as I start boil the peas, I start add the flavor in it from early out for the rice and peas. So all of these when I add in now are going to help to add flavor to the rice and peas. So the ginger, the garlic and the pimento seed, that will make you have a nice rice and peas. Yeah man. Yeah man, I don't want to sponsor video people, but you know. Nothing better than a cool Jamaican red stripe beer, man.
Yeah.
Yeah man, cheers.
Real man.
Yes,
Take a
sir,
shot
yes,
of gold rum.
Yes sir.
Great.
Big up. Boy, brown man dog know when me up your guys are cooking, so he make sure say he making way up his stream and river. I want you let's soon get a Sunday dinner, man. Don't worry yourself. Alright? Yeah man. As we up here cook people in all ways. Come up. What happen? You good? Brown man knows you left your yard. Brown man knows you he want pampering. Brown man knows you left your yard one. You soon get food, man. Soon get food, alright? Yes, so may I help out dog pick the ear trog, you know. So the bigness of the ear trog determine how long you actually pick the ear trog for, you know. Because the ear trog can take up to all an hour. You know. I say my back hurt him, you know, so I give him a strength because you know say a teamwork make the dream work. So you just pull, turn and take out the bone, you know. And that's how you remove the bone out of it. Yeah man.
Yeah, we'll get the piece in now.
Yeah, guys, look for white man a greater coconut.
No, man, I left one maybe.
By first, the man a greater coconut. Look, the man did it over 30 minutes right now.
No, man, not so long, man.
How old?
10 minutes and over there.
I can't done greater one coconut.
Two done.
What is it?
Really kaya nung kung ano.
Put some water on it.
Yung guan, soak lang kubit na. And the vinegar water. I'm gonna get them seasoned up with yung guan soak. Yeah. Add some meat season and the chicken. This is all-purpose. Add a look at all-purpose. Yeah. And this is a chicken Maggi season.
Chicken season.
Yeah. Yeah, and I got a little jerk with the pimento. See that with the pimento in it, guys, you know? Yeah. That is it. Then you gotta add, you have the blend up season with the pepper, garlic, scallion, and onion. And the ginger. I'm gonna add it. And the chicken, you know. You go and soak, you know. Season go on. And rub it in the season, you know. So this, guys, I'm gonna rub it in the season, you know. Chicken look, it smells nice already. Not ready yet. Already smell nice. I'm not ready yet. Get in the season, rub it in, you know. You go and soak French fry. Alright, season up and done. You go and eat two little joke, you know, make you season it.
Good on them,
You know? This one. Mix it one. Alright. So you go on, you get the soap. Add a little more. That's okay?
More jerk.
More jerk, on it. Supposed to want nothing more, guys. This chicken is delicious. You know? Taste this chicken. Alright, yeah, kitchen it.
She are the boss today, you know?
Yeah.
Takes a team to grow, you know?
Yeah, I cover
a team work to deal with from Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog.
Yeah.
King one.
Still there over here, picky,
truck. Yeah, man.
Still over here.
Cover I'm gonna make King one. Soak, you know? Yeah, man.
They up on the riverside.
Chicken well soaked, you know. And the taste nice enough for KFC.
Come on, come. Yeah, run. Hold on, let me take out the paper outside here. First course of meeting get ready for a morning. So when the food done cook, you gotta get for your plate.
Yeah man, this is all about nature, man. They provide everything, man. Natural water. When I make fast, you go down for the riverside to get water. Yeah man, put out one little pass. And get the water. You don't have to worry about water because you know water there. I make fast to get the water to use. That will not go in nature. Everything for it. Nature provide everything for it. See there? Yeah man, I make fast so we can get water from the riverside. See there? Natural. Pretty water.
As Rasta was explaining earlier on about the soursop fish bone, serious bone them, in order to destroy them, I go throw them in the fire, make them burn out. Because no one them hurt none of we or other person who are come on the river when I see them same way. So this is a way how we destroy them. Burn them out to bash, you know. Big up guys, big up everybody who there today. Yeah. All of who don't make it, so you go.
Yeah.
But you know if they have to get the food, cause you know what I mean?
You can't carry load and then carry back load.
Yeah,
So,
people have to carry back food to them. It don't work like
you
that.
have to dip on the block.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause nobody feel like when me I shoot video, if 10 other person come, but me don't know, me still share out food and give them.
Yeah.
So you have to there so. Yeah. Yeah, man, so I got the soursop fish. Yeah. So the reason why I place the plastic mug on the cutting board. I feel cutting board and nasty. You know? And help to reduce the rawness. So see what you know, the soursop fish look like there. All are in there. And gut. Oh. I feel for gold dog. I feel for gold in the soursop fish. You know if you swallow down gold in the ocean. Liver. Bossy him out, you know. I chop off it, chop it. So I chop off, I chop him in two guys. The mouth I really want part for him are really tough. Yeah. The mouth is so ramp with him. Tough. Chop out all the knife mouth. The toughest part for the soursop fish I mouth. Eventually chop out the whole of the knife mouth a while ago guys. And so I have to retrieve, use the machete, you know. Bust now. Yeah. See? It's tough now back side. Yeah. Bust man. Yeah. So I go wash him off and clean him up. Season him, you know. Wash him off with some vinegar or either lime juice or lemon. Help to reduce the rawness, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get the hedgehog cut up now. Look how white something yesterday, that wind bag. This is a wind bag. Wind bag.
Sweet part, man.
Gummy.
Part don't waste.
I'm going to show them something. Yeah, get those everybody want it.
I chop you a while ago and chop out the motor. You see a one no man.
We're getting cut up.
Yeah guys, so I never sit down someday record. Just use my knife and chop the soursop fish mouth. Chop out the whole line knife so it kinda little bit dull up now.
Yeah man, see danger part is skin. Pea gum in them part. Danger part is skin. I eat some pea gum. Get him cut up. Still one bone left in him. When the piece you finish picking up, you have to give him a thoroughly search. After you done a searching, sometimes bone and get it. You have big bone and a little bone. Alright, that's a gill. I have to take out the gill out of it.
Keep the fire active, you know. Don't make it burn out.
Holy poor gummy now, understand? So I'm going to steer off more. Boss it like this. But how they cut? Take out the eye. Yeah, make it waste. Knife stuck in a board. Take out the next eye.
Yeah.
Get out the next gill. Next side of gill. So two sides of gill here.
The fire blazing.
Now look at each other enough though.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Yeah man, so I add a little cow's milk 10 minutes before start frying. To help you add flavor. Marination season. Tastes really good. You can taste all the herbs and spice. Get away from there. Yeah, wait for your turn, man. You just get food, it's too craving. Yes, I'm adding a stalk of scallion, some pimento seed, and a scotch bonnet pepper. And what this does now is help to add flavor to the oil, you know? And you know from the oil full of flavor, it will help to enhance the flavor of the chicken. Yeah man, so I'm adding the coconut milk. So you can cook together with the peas. Yeah. add a little chicken season to the flour. Yeah. Add a little bit more. About a tablespoon. Yeah. Yeah, now I gotta just coat them, you know. Just dust them off before I add them in the oil.
One more to find.
This one to good rice.
Yeah. Oh, more than one green pepper, no good.
Put one ready. How do you know?
Yeah, ginger already in the rice. Smell that. Ah, full of flavor. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add them accordingly. Not gonna overcrowd the pot. Because we want to give them space to fry. Yeah. Now add one more piece. So I go cover, make it take it time and go and steam and fry, you know. So I don't want too much heat under it. Also, you don't want to have less heat because you don't want the chicken to boil. You want the chicken to fry, you know. You don't want it to boil up in the pot.
To boil up. Put on pepper, sweet pepper, piece at time, and cheese stock or scallion. We're getting some salt in the pot, you don't know it is. Can I see butter in it? I'm getting some good old Maggi. Right. Maggi have to give you a sponsor because we use too much Maggi. You know. Yeah, man, I have to give you a sponsor. Yeah, so we're getting half stick of butter in the pot. You know, I think the butter gives a nice flavor. I'll leave that to boil up now. So when you start boiling up back again, you get your rice washed and put in. Let the hedgehog season up now, I put in a piece of thyme. And some piece of garlic, an onion, one pepper, a stalk of scallion. I get some pimento seed on it. Oh. And look how great old jerk mix up. Maggi fish season, see me. Maggi all purpose, see me. Good old better pack curry. Put a little pan it, just to change the colour. And then you burn some in the eye, you know, normally burn some in the eye. Yeah.
Sure, come on, fire.
I get with season rubbing now, rubbing the hedgehog. Smell the flavour already. Smell the flavour already in the gone on the fire. Oh my word. Well, the tip look how it blend up, you know. Look how I blended season here, see me. Raw bean it. Yeah man, I left with it. marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let me go and soak, you know. Getting the rice in the pot. Watch the custard on the top. Oh my word. Green Jamaican coconut. Yeah. You sun the rice and peas in there even.
I'm going to say what you better waste my rice.
I want to cheat off the water. Yeah, you want time when I get this stir up.
One chicken looking good.
Beautiful color, golden. No egg powder, natural fried chicken. Yeah man.
Good, pretty. I would have no any paprika. I look fancy color in something there. Natural.
No color into chicken.
Yeah, so I'm gonna add in some more chicken. Yeah. Mad vibes today, guys. Coat them through the flour. Let's dust them off gently, you know. Yeah. Yes, guys. I want to say rice dry though. Everything perfect. You know, wrap. You know, allow the rice to steam. You know what I mean?
Meanwhile, chicken a fry, see me. You check go and soak.
Cover.
Cup on fire. Look how chicken pretty. Wow. Oh my word. Not even KFC chicken are pretty. So.
We check for that one. Oh, your boy, you see that? Boy, I have skill, man.
Right fire for them to have on.
Yeah, man. So we turn them accordingly, you know?
Yeah.
Good footage. Chicken nice. One.
Yeah, it makes a sound out. Put on the vegetables. I just want to toss the vegetables. Everything will line up, man, because rice already. Rice already. Chicken soon done fried. Lunch, it dinner soon already, man. So all who hungry now for order and say. So yes, I don't need to do. Peas, so yes, I don't need to do peas. French fried chicken, rice and peas, curry ear chop, otherwise known as soursop fish. And potato salad with pumpkin.
You look for the rice chicken for
Yeah, man.
the back garden.
Yeah, so I'm stirring the rice.
Before I get to rice.
No, really. Oh,
No, man, I chicken here again.
see that people? Them they can't take out. Them they can't take out. Them they can't take out. Yeah, man. Rice and peas, my God. Look at that.
Chill it.
Look at that. Check out
It's a
the
beauty
scale,
of
yeah.
rice.
Look at that, guys.
Boss lady, I get the chicken in the type of same time.
Yeah.
Where's the fish?
What? Yeah, man, throw the flour. Yeah, we are use the flour again? I use the flour again. Yeah, I make two spinach. I take on my talk. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to take him off and put him right outside. That's it. Yes, people, so I'm adding some thyme, 3 cloves of garlic, some ginger, pimento seed, green pepper. So I'm going to wash pineapple skin them, you know, add them in. I'm going to allow this to boil. So I'm going to take out all of the flavor from the pineapple skin. And that's how I make the sauce for the chicken, you know? Yeah. Don't know. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Another bang again. And Rasta. Everybody there, the whole team out.
Out man. White man there see me. You know, boss ladies there see me.
Officially become a team, you know?
The bridging full of when I subscriber pass through, full of.
Big up man, big up, big up.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting the ear we're getting the ear in the pot now. So we add a pepper in it. And 2 cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger. And put the spoon. No. I'm getting some pimento seed. Yeah. No, we have to burn the curry. We have to burn some of the curry in the hand. Put out better pack. Curry pretty. Watch curry. Yeah, man, so we're getting the chicken.
Some for Rasta, man, eat white fowl, but they want to go back for.
Oh, straight, you don't know. There's a French fried chicken and rice and beef. I'm saying rice and peas and curry H&M. Yeah. Simmer down in a coconut milk.
Why? A mixture me want. You can't stay there. A mixture, go bad. A mixture boss want today, you stay there. Yeah. So all of here ma go on guys. A mixture me want. I want curry H&M with fried chicken, rice and peas. Everything. I must put on weight for my channel, I swear. You want?
Yeah, so we're getting the coconut milk in a H&M. Getting the coconut milk in a H&M. Make it go and simmer. Yeah, put there. It's pretty like gold. I'll simmer down for about 15 minutes and then we re-season it. So we're getting some pumpkin night. You know, some pumpkin curry. We're getting more Irish night. Onion, piece of scallion and some carrot. You know, we are saving bell pepper like, because we like when it's crunchy. Piece of thyme seasoning. Meat pretty. Not meat, fish. Whoa.
You know, immediately at Rastafari. I cook up and you never get none, man. It's no problem.
Hey.
Yeah man, so I build the sauce of the chicken. And I use some fish sauce, fish and meat sauce. Yeah. And I add some tomato ketchup. Yeah. I use the whisk, you know. So now I add a little brown sugar. Prefer using the honey, but I didn't bring any honey today. Yeah, add a little soy sauce. So add a little color. I will add a piece of stick butter. Help to enhance the flavor, you know. Yes guys, so whatever I'm gonna put right here, so I will eventually take it up, because you know we say save the environment. Sweet River Westmoreland to me is one of the most beautiful river, and it's also one of the most kept clean river in a Westmoreland. So we are gonna do few part, make sure say the river one keep clean. Sauce tasting good. You can actually taste the pineapple flavor. You can actually taste the herbs and the spice, the pimento seed. Yeah. So I'm gonna just allow the sauce just to dry down just a little bit more.
Yeah, so we'll get the bell pepper and my sauce of fish. I'll add a little piece of butter to enhance the flavor. That's ready, yeah. So yeah, we're getting the bell pepper and put a little piece of butter in it to enhance the flavor. So already I know it has simmer down. Yes. Pepper right in it, everything. Season, spicy, herb, everything. Can't wait for you to come off. Rice and peas and curry each in a coconut milk. Wow.
Yes, so I'm going to add in the pumpkin and the Irish potato, you know. Allow them to cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and that should complete the cooking of them. After cook, I'm going to take them out and then I'm going to mash them, you know. Yes, so I'm going to add just a little bit of salt, a little bit of sea salt. Yes, so pumpkin Irish cook. Strain it off, you know. I'm gonna mash them now, you know. So this is how we are making the Irish potato mash with the pumpkin. I'm gonna add them in a basin, you know.
How am I forget this? I want to say happy birthday to my mother-in-law, Mervyn Shippy. Happy birthday, mama. Pick up yourself for your birthday.
Alright, that is it, sir. Yeah, we can't forget. Yeah, man, add a little milk, not the much. Little cow's milk. Some stick butter, you know.
Charge, I know she's about to land right now. I can't wait to get in a curry eachag. The rice and peas. Yeah. The boss, I like up the mashed potato with the pumpkin.
Yeah.
White man,
Ready?
pick up a damn self, you don't know what things said.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
See, Auntie these things are wait for the
Yeah,
food.
man, outside and I wait for the food, we can't wait.
Great
you
full
know.
across over the south. Yeah, man. Pick up yourself, daddy.
Man, every time, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know the way if you get everything blending in the mashed potato with the pumpkin and when it's hot, you know? Yeah. So you get to melt the butter and thing. Yeah, so we are going to add next half stick of butter. And just a little bit more of the milk. Yeah. Freshest squeezed cow milk. Yeah, was.
Straight for the breast.
Yeah,
Cow.
straight from the breast. But I don't know where it come from now. I know where cow it come from. Where it come from, Bala? The milk. Eh? A box it come out on our breast. A box. I will shred a little bit of onion in a heat. Yeah. Just to add a little different flavor to it. Yeah. So what this does help to enhance the flavor, the shredding of the onion. Yeah. So mashed potato with a difference. Yes, sir.
Ready?
Well, you can't wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Judge, you know me, I tell you, it's salad. Nice. Come to right now, nobody want no rice and peas. I do salad and HM. Yeah, man, salad nice. Give me another little skillet night. Like salad. Give it a great flavor. Judge, you know. Right now I feel like I don't get none of this now. I alone like this now. I can't eat the rice and peas and chicken and me alone. Watch them, man. Pretty flavor. I eat that.
Sella, come on.
Yes, peeps, it's ship line now. So we'll get the food show because right now the fat said, boy, for morning we there. Everybody can't wait for us getting a great flavor. Everything sort out now. Get the food them sort out. I can't wait now. Just hurry up and share this food and I'll let you. I'll share up my one. How much are we? 5, 6, 7.
Sorry.
Each have a good one.
There, son.
You know there, so yeah. Yeah, if you know there, so yeah, so we have to wait till you come.
Yeah, I get food when you catch from.
I wish you would be jail one bit.
Come on, think you want to put through. Come on.
So you're getting chicken in pot. If you tell what part of chicken you eat and what part of chicken you eat.
Chicken or chicken?
Hmm?
Chicken or chicken?
Chicken or chicken? Oh, chicken right there you go. Forward. So how you go? Chicken you see. Who not eat leg? Who not eat this?
Just use it and catch it. You know, easier.
Mr. That man love to do everything hard way.
Oh, who want breast? Now you should eat breast. You know, eat. Who want leg? If I'm on, you have to give them. You have to look up at them for later. Yeah, these people there, they look up at them there.
Say put chicken up here, please.
No,
Unless I share money.
it doesn't share that you say. I'm not share people, sir.
How you make 6? But I say 6 every day, so yeah.
To take out back the chicken out of one of your plate.
No, sir, no.
You go eat chicken then.
So you get in the potato salad.
Yeah, I go help out this week, you know. I go add the vegetable.
One more time water.
Better go dry.
Napkin over there.
Yeah, eat the chicken, sir.
What?
So take off the chicken back off of one of your plate, bro.
At least on my plate, so I get my salad bunny. My potato salad. My boss put on the vegetable bunny. And then I go in a pot now with the great old soursop fish. I think time and this one want to mix it up.
Oh, mix some.
So one, you know, so this is a few Rastafari. That look wicked.
Who want mixture?
Who want to mix it?
You know, I get no mixture.
Mixture man, yeah, man.
Alright.
I get into my mixture pan, my own, so I want a mixture. Come up that right there, sir.
And me alone now go get my mixture.
Everybody want mixture.
Everybody say they want a mixture because you don't know.
Cameraman.
Except the cameraman, because you know, cameraman don't do nothing in a fish. Chop it right there, sir. That look good. Alright, you're going to hand out the food man now.
How that?
You know, sir,
How are your breast there?
breast it down. Grateful, huh?
I mean, respect man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we'll give boss some food now.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Boss lady.
Caribbean
Yeah, man,
vibes.
respect.
That's why I make the thing
Yeah,
in
man.
Caribbean vibes, you know. Full of vibes.
Good.
White man.
Respect.
Yeah.
Listen.
I'm going to take off me now, sit down. Great, now go in it. And taste and tell you how it go.
Come
I
on.
don't know how to put things to tell you. Caribbean vibes cooking, real authentic cooking.
Big finger me
Yeah, man. Rice and peas, can
Yeah,
taste the
man.
coconut milk. H-chug, nice. Milk coconut milk, see me? Nice. Take it away.
full of flavor, you know.
Yeah, man. Nice.
Very authentic Jamaican cooking. See? Caribbean vibes cooking song.
And wait till what everybody does to give the boss give review, you know.
I'll get that.
So, you know, eat fish that man, eat it. That for sure is good.
And big up to the baller, you know.
Yeah man, Caribbean vibes, you know. See it there? Proper something. Yeah man. Subscribe man. Every time. Caribbean vibes. #1 kitchen. Big up yourself.
Yeah man, for me time now, you know. Everybody up eat their food. Excellent job. Soursop fish up. You can taste the coconut milk flavor from the pumpkin. Fried chicken, you can taste the flavor from the milk, same way. Rice and peas. Immaculate condition when they come on to flavor. Yeah man, coconut milk bust this a week, yeah man. Good job. Yeah man, respect guys.
Breakfast and I come this happy. We just eat the breakfast while because I dinner this one I eat. Yeah man. Get the dinner man. Up, you know. Oh nice. Yeah man.
Yeah man. Yeah man say want the gummy part of H-Chag. White man say want the gummy part.
I will go a beer bowl and give one.
Oh,
I'm sure say it tastes so good, you know man. See there. Clean sweep. A second where I go for. See there. No joke.
Look for the bone in my man.
Yeah man, I grind it man.
Scramble board.
Good man, bless up man, every time man.
Yeah man, respect.
One love man, respect
Yeah
you know.
man, day one
Caribbean
subscriber.
vibes. Caribbean vibes, our channel if you watch, subscribe, share man, every time.
Yeah
You
man,
see me?
respect bro. Thanks
Big
for
up
coming
yourself
through bro.
man.
Gummy part for you, yeah. Alright, first trip. You did too much bone, brother. Alright, like that. Gummy.
Yo, dog, you know, so give me one look at this, I go part of it.
No man, too much in that. Remember say Maroon no get none brother.
Oh my sorry.
I want.
Bone piece, yeah.
Get! Say Maroon no get none bro. Mo!
Watch it dog, watch it dog.
Yeah man, no run him man.
No man, if the next man forget man, we have to dog man.
Yeah
Man, if you-
Yeah man, you can't get piece
can't get
more.
more.
You can't get more piece more.
Dog, very nice. Look at that. Dog. Look at that. You can't wait for getting nice. Real man, Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog, real, authentic cooking. I tell you, I eat already, I have to eat again, kawa.
In the ball, you have to do it again.
It's only nice, you have to take it twice. Caribbean Vibes. Subscribe to the channel. Big up on yourself.
Dog, clean the plate. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Wash it. I first eat H again.
First, not that eat again. Clean.
All I garbage them. No, I carry them with me. Yeah, so we're currently packing up now. Now go on no more ice.
Be careful with my ice.
I carry ice every week, brother. Come on. Another successful day. That's all I can say.
Yeah man, it's a great day man. To God be the glory, great things He have done. Yeah man. Blessed love, family. Subscribe, share. Yeah man.
Now I go carry back home my ice. Body a pack up. The people belly full till they can't even talk. Yeah, we are going to try to go down on the bridge and try to see if we can catch some footage. Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's been a great day. We're forward home now.
Yeah, man. Climb up. Give some.
Yeah. What's that? Rotten wood. Head rotten. Only a climb up.
Let's say wood rotten.
Yeah.
Yeah, Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Out here man. Got down, I go down. Down by the river. Head. So you can wash up my night here now. I take a wash off. Yeah. The team out. Yeah. Caribbean Vibes team, we out. Done cook and I go now, we belly full. It was a great day. So we have to give thanks to Father God now. Because Father God not with there. So Pick up yourself.
We don't understand how that just threw up on the roof and jump off.
Why you can't figure that? That don't make sense.
Alright, come give us it.
that now, man.
Come give us it. Hey, just figure out. We don't do nothing.
Tired now, man.
Eh?
Tired now.
Yeah, come give us it now. Come give us it.
See you jump off now.
We don't know nothing about Piggy, bro. What? I want to wear me to have to sugar up on the rock, brother.
Come on, you have to learn new style.
Eh?
Learn new style.
That's how I know new style to them. Come on.
Go do you know?
Eh?
Go do you know?
I know the new style. Yes, people, so long time I not doing underwater footage. I go catch the underwater footage. Where say I jump up? Where say I jump up? Yeah, good one. The water really low now. We never see this yet. Everybody come a river and none of them know how to be. Seriously. All the man want to be. People are afraid of water. People are afraid of water. You have to be at one.